Hello, my name is Trevor. I live in Wisconsin. I am a physical education teacher. So I've been using the Muzata railing system. I installed it this summer, and I just had recently done it around a patio that connects to the deck at our new house. You don't see the hardware. The hardware is behind the wood. It's just the wire that you see. And it looks very clean, very easy to use. It took me about an afternoon, maybe 4 to 6 hours to install everything once you have the holes drilled, and then it's just running the wire, putting the clamp on the end, and putting the screws in and making sure that the wire is tight. Super easy to use, super user friendly. There's a lot of videos online and really fast to install. What I like most about it now is how the wire looks, and with the wire being able to see right through it, having no obstruction to view. And it's safe for my kids so that they're not falling off the ledge, because there's a pretty big ledge by our patio. I've recommended this to several people. There's been a couple friends and family that have also used the system, so I would recommend it to anyone else.